Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to focus on Suno AI version 3.5, how to generate AI music. Now a sample of the musics are going to be this one right here. Let's play some of them, right? Now those are just a preview of what you can expect in Suno. So with this video, I'm going to teach you how to make all of those entirely for free. Yes, this focuses on the free trial, so there may be features that are not yet available in my video, so I'm going to make another video about it, but for now, we're going to focus on the free trial. Speaking about free trial, let's check on the plans and subscriptions. Now these are going to be the prices. We have the monthly billing or the yearly billing. Upon my experience, if you always choose the yearly, you're gonna save as much as 20%. And for the basic plan, you can get 50 credits for new. That is gonna be 10 songs per day. Non-commercial terms, no credit top-ups, and the works. Now, I just want to highlight non-commercial terms, meaning everything you make in Suno cannot be used as anywhere inside Suno itself. For example, if you created a song and you want to use it on your YouTube video, you want to use it on other platforms, that cannot happen. You're going to have a copyright issue if you're using the basic plan. Meaning, if you want to use everything you created in Suno, for example on your YouTube videos, please make sure you still avail at least the pro plan of $10 per month. You can have 2,500 credits and you're going to have the general commercial terms. Basically, you can use everything you created in Suno in everywhere. Take note about that one to avoid any copyright issues, alright? Anyway, let's get back on the creation tab. So welcome back to the video. I just went from the pricing to the creation because these are gonna be the sections on the left side. We have home, create, library, explore, and search. As you can see, I still have 50 credits. That will be around 10 songs for today or 24 hours. Anyway, to get started for this one, of course, we are gonna need a lyric. Am I gonna write my own lyric? That is not really the thing here because I'm not really a musician, right? So we're gonna utilize a website that I like the most. Let's go to it right now. So welcome back to the video. We're gonna utilize ChatGPT. It doesn't matter what kind of model you're using because it's just gonna be a simple song. So I'm gonna say I need the song, the style, the theme, back-to-back verses, and the format. Now simply click on enter for this one, and we're gonna wait until ChatGPT gives us what we need. We have the verse, second verse, and the chorus. Take note, I'm not doing anything here. I'm showing you how it works real time. So I'm just gonna copy everything once it's done. For example, this one right here, I think it's done now. Perfect. So I'm just gonna copy everything up to the chorus. Copy, go back on Suno. Now once you're back in Suno, just paste it right there. Now is that enough? So you might be thinking that this is enough for now, but it isn't. You need to make sure that we click on custom. So we're gonna be in custom mode right now. So basically, for this one, make sure you accept the terms first, click the paste button, and you're gonna paste your chorus. Because take note, if you did not click the custom, it's just gonna ask for your prompt. Notice that it did not copy everything on my prompt, right? So I'm make sure you're gonna click on custom, and basically we have everything we have from ChatGPT. You can also expand this if you wanna see everything, alright? Now, being said, you almost make sure that the version you're using for is 3.5, because if you're using 2 or 3, we're not gonna get the same results here. Alright? If you click on instrumental, that means that you won't have any lyric on your song. It's gonna be instrumental or -1 song for other musicians that calls it. Alright? Now for the next one, we're gonna have style of music. Basically describe what is gonna be the style for this one. Since I chose pop earlier, I'm gonna type in pop here. And then we can have some more here. For example, there's going to be minimal wave. There's going to be pop disco. We have disco right there. We have electro. We have swing here. I think that's enough for me. And for the title, of course, I'm going to name this one Tutorialboxx Music 1. Pretty awesome, right? I'm just going to check everything if everything is good. By the way, guys, there is an option to upload your very own audio wherein you can check and edit the video itself, add some finesse, add some muzzle to it, right? Anyway, I have a video about Suno about this one, so please check it out. So welcome back to the video. We have these two songs right here. Before I play it, I'm gonna have the option to make sure it's public or not. You can now copy the song link for this one. 3 dots gives you to create an option or edit the details, add to a playlist, download as a audio or video, or report. You can also delete it on this option right there. So let's all listen to it with the lyrics on the right side, right? Please pay attention on the lyrics on the right side while I play it.
I saw your face across the room. You smiled at her like you used to do.
Alright, I'm just gonna post it right there because I don't want to take so much of your time there. So basically, there is a long intro, but anyway, the lyrics are exactly as it is. Now, on the music player on the bottom side, you can really adjust what's happening. For example, if I play this one, I can make sure I advance like this, play it. Also, there are 3 dots right here to make sure you can control everything as you see fit. Basically, the 3 dots right here are the 3 dots right there also. Adjust the volume on this section right there, and this is gonna be autoplay. Alright? Now, after listening, I think I'm not satisfied with what we have here, so I'm just gonna edit some stuff there. I'm gonna edit the style of music. I made it pop of rock, dramatic, sad rock, pop dance, and house. So simply click on generate one more time for this one, and I'll see you once it's here. Now, welcome back to the video. Here are our 2 songs. Let's all listen to it all together. Now that's a little bit better. It captures what I'm looking for, but maybe I need some more. By the way, you'll notice that the thumbnail is different now because I've added the prompt house on my style of music. Take note about that one, right? Now let's listen to the second one.
I saw your face across the room. You smiled at her like you used to do. And in that moment it hit me hard. You've moved on while I'm falling apart.
Alright, so the second music on the second trial gives me a little bit more what I'm looking for. Now for the sake of this discussion, I'm gonna tweak this style of music a little bit more. About this one right here, we have dramatic, psych, rock, pop, house, and techno. Simply click on create. You'll notice that the credits are going down every time you create, right? Anyway, this is gonna be normal, and then I think it's really fast on generation. Let's listen to the first one right now.
Your face across the room. You smiled at her like you used to do. And in that moment, it hit me hard.
How about that one? Let's listen to the second one right now.
I saw your face across the room. You smiled at her like you used to do.
Perfect. I think the second one from the second generation still gives me the one I'm looking for. Again, this is still gonna be AI, so it really differs from time to time on the generation, alright? I want you to take note of that. Now before we wrap things up, I'm just gonna download the one which is the second one from the second trial, which I like the most. I'm gonna go for audio, and there we have it. Without further ado, I have my song, and basically for this one, I cannot use it for YouTube just yet. Just wanna highlight this one and reiterate this one. So to avoid copyright, you need to pay for the subscription plan if you want to use this music for your YouTube videos or for other platforms, alright? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.